I'm Polly Bath, and I travel around the country helping schools, classrooms, individuals to manage and intervene behavior that interrupts our instruction. And I'm going to answer one of your questions today. Here we go. I've been using clip charts, marble jars, and other behavior management techniques that I've learned over the years, but they're just not working that well anymore. Can you recommend one that works? Oof, this is a great question. You know, over the years, we have a tendency to want to buy whatever's going to fix the problem in the moment. I call it the big box remedy. And although these are very research-based types of techniques, they're not working for today's audience, if you will. Some of that public humiliation around clip up, clip down, and that kind of thing is really kind of throwing a little fuel on the fire of our kids who like the fact that they can break down an entire class. So they're like, yeah, I want to get clipped down today. And then you've got, well, I was responsible for us not getting the marbles today. That feels pretty powerful. So if you think about it from the kind of negative end, it can work against us. The other thing is, it can really break down our culture. So when we are having these kind of blanket things, like everyone has to stay in for recess because 2 or 3 of you were monkeying around, it really breaks down our culture. The only way we can get a better situation going on, is there a big box remedy when it comes to all classroom management behavior stuff? I don't really think so. You know what does work? Relationships. We have to know 3 to 4 things about every kid in our classroom that has nothing to do with school. So that's where we get the best bang for our buck with our circle times and our reflection times and our whatever it is we do when we just chat with kids. Taking that moment to know those things, taking that moment in the morning to say, hey, how's your dog? Hey, how'd that go yesterday? And other kids can say, oh, same thing happened to me. And before you know it, the kids who misbehave start to realize they have more in common with kids who might not misbehave, and that builds our culture. And that's the only way you're going to get kids to really want to buy into something that feels good and it's internally motivated. Remember, all of these techniques are external motivators. They are designed to think that people are going to behave to get something, which initially, yes, that does happen. It's kind of like if I want to buy that, really high designer suit, and so I'm going to my high school reunion, so I'm like, yeah, I'm hitting the gym every day, man. I'm only, eating crackers and water, because I'm going to get this suit, and I'm going to that, that big shindig. Well, after that shindig is over, where's the pork rinds, man? And where's the couch? So it's not sustainable, and that's the problem with some of these systems. So again, relationships, culture, build that community, and you will get a better bang for your buck, and you won't get caught up in having to keep all these points straight. Thanks for that question. And if you have questions that you'd like to see in a future episode, please include those in the comments below.